Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will take you internationally to Radisson Kandy. So as soon as you enter, you have this bathroom on the left. This is the shower area and you get shampoo, conditioner and body wash, which is a delight because these days they're just mixing with shampoo and conditioner. You get this toilet area. You have toilet paper, this thing, dustbin. You have this tissue paper box, 2 glasses, body lotion, soap, and I think it's shower cap, this mirror and this small mirror, towels. What is this? This is the safe. It has the safe, the drawers to keep the stuff. So there is plenty of storage space over here. You have this laundry bag also. And this is the mirror, full length mirror. On the side of the wall of the bathroom, we also have this standard tea and coffee area. This mini bar, which is empty. These mugs, water bottles, glasses. And this, my friend, is the main area. The bedroom where you stay. Such a gorgeous painting on the wall, like it's beautiful, depicting Sri Lanka. It's a wallpaper, I believe. And those are the side tables, and you have wall mounted lamp and reading lamps, and your phone and chart remote. This is the TV. This is table chair, a couch, and let's go out. So how do you open it? Yeah, so this is how you open. And my friends, this is the view. Check out this gorgeous view. You can see the Kandy Lake from here. You can see, oh beautiful, it's so nice, green, clean Kandy in its full bloom, and it has been raining, so it's looking even better. This is the hotel, I don't know what it is. So yes friends, these are gorgeous curtains, also very beautiful, high quality. And so at this lamp, this, and you have these 2 curtains, one the sheer one and one this one, thick one. So yes friends, that's it for today with this gorgeous fan. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.